In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old projects, teams, or tasks in Asana. Managing your projects in Asana effectively can make a world of difference in keeping your workspace organized and streamlined. Archiving is a fantastic tool to achieve this, essentially allowing you to tidy up your workspace and focus on ongoing tasks or teams. Let's start by navigating to the Asana homepage. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is enter your email address. Now don't forget, this should be the email address associated with your Asana account. Go ahead and click on Continue. You will then be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you enter your password accurately to gain access to your Asana account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. The next step is to select and open the project you wish to archive. This means navigating through your current projects to find the one you're ready to archive. Once you've opened the desired project, look for the Actions drop-down menu. Within this menu, you will see an option labeled Archive. Click on it. This process effectively moves the project into the archive, decluttering your project list. It's a simple yet efficient way to keep your active projects front and center while ensuring historical data remains accessible but not in the way. To check your archive projects, you'll want to click on My Workspace in the Asana interface. Here, many users prefer to click on A to Z or the Sort option to organize their view further, making it easier to find what they're looking for. In this drop-down, again, you'll see an option titled Archive. Clicking here will take you to a list of all the projects you've archived. It's important to note that Asana currently doesn't offer direct archiving options for individual tasks or entire teams. The archiving functionality applies at the project level, meaning when you archive a project, it archives all its associated tasks as well. This is a critical point to remember when managing your tasks and projects in Asana. By taking the time to archive your completed or inactive projects, you help maintain a cleaner, more organized Asana workspace. This process ensures that you can easily concentrate on current projects without the distraction of outdated information, thus enhancing productivity and project management efficiency. That's all for today. By following these steps, you should have no trouble archiving your projects in Asana, keeping your workspace neat and efficient. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this guide helps you manage your Asana tasks effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.